It's him, the final video for today. This will be the fourth. I did check out two videos on uranium, short-term URNM stuff, long-term um, stocks in Canada, US. Also, I did the daily video for the subscribers or the members of the channel. If you're not a member, you can check it out. If you want, you can always unsubscribe if you don't feel like you're getting the value that you expected. If you do, please leave a comment in one of the videos so I know how to improve. But I'm just giving you my thoughts, a daily video with my thoughts, with my views, and a lot of stuff that I don't post on Twitter, that I don't show on YouTube. So basically, what I'm looking at here today, we had a coal stock, we had a gold stock, we had two tech stocks, and we did some update review on two stocks that we looked at the past few days. So check it out if you're interested. If not, let's get into the daily scoreboard here. Follow me on Twitter and on YouTube as well, obviously, if you find my work interesting. Daily scoreboard, there will be no Twitter recap. I have been slacking today. I have no Twitter stuff. And also I have no stocks per se. So this will be purely update on gold, silver, and a few ETFs, commodities. Silver, flat for today. I want to point out one thing though, one tiny thing. Breakout, hopefully retest, let it hold so we can have a move higher here. As you can see here, we're still holding that breakout. So gold is at a very, very interesting point in time. I say that a lot, but this one is very, very interesting. Why? Up 0.3% today. Breakdown, massive retest of that triangle here. Two things can happen. The odds favors, obviously, retest resumption. However, if this one can get back in and we can get it back above, oh boy, that is a lot of shorts here that we'll have to cover, and this could be where we finally again get back above 150, 250, 260 for gold. That will be massively on a weekly basis, massively. So gold to silver ratio. Yesterday we had that bounce there at that long-term, very long-term trend line coming, all the way down. Retest. As a gold and silver, lover, you can say, we are now retesting here as well. So you can see gold retesting the triangle, the gold to silver ratio retesting the neckline of that double top in head and shoulders. This could be magnificent if that happens. We don't know yet, obviously. Again, it favors this, the retest, so it favors a further move to the upside. But you can dream, you can hope. Dixie here, again, rising wedge breakdown. A lot of volatility coming in today. It retraced quite a bit during the day. Still in an uptrend, but that break could be the start of something more to the downside. But again, we're still on the weekly here. The weekly is actually not looking the best. The daily, though, is still in a slight uptrend. But this thing here could be bearish. You also want to note that we are actually pretty close to a massive breakout here at 104, 105. So it's very, very interesting to see what happens here. I just wanted to add that one in there, that green bad boy. So we actually breaking down retesting. So also you can see here, the Dixie is retesting that. So we have a lot of stuff going on here with, that has huge implications for the next few days. Lovely. Dixie basically flat, was down 0.2% during the day, retraced as always during the US Open. Bitcoin still consolidating here at that trend line. Remarkably, it's still holding up pretty strong, even though tech is getting whacked a bit. 0.6% today for Bitcoin. Oil, again, can't seem to clear that blue neckline, is down 1.3% today. You can see it there, the candle. I do expect, since we are hammering on that it will be a break. That is my take. It will get negated, in my view, if we get below that trend line there. So GDX up 0.5% today, given the fact that the overall market was pretty damn sour, red. I take that as a win. Nothing major, but still it's a win. SIL down 0.7%. Again, nothing major to report there. Uranium spot price is still bouncing between 100 and 106. If we stay there for a long period of time, I will be smiling, within a few weeks when this one blasts higher. Again, it's very premature. We need a lot more weeks to catch up with the third weekly. Down 0.5% today basically doesn't mean anything. However, URNM getting whacked today, 4%, together with the rest of the market hammered. Check out the detailed view I've done for URNM, the daily update, the 15-minute update for URNM. We have a slight slimmer of hope. We are very oversold on the 1 hourly and below. And we are at the last, rope of support before we can maybe have a deeper correction down to 44, roughly. So check it out. It is released. You can check out that rate. 10-year rates flat for today, still below resistance 4.33. But the longer we consolidate here, the more bullish it gets. So that is one to take. Palladium up 2.5% today. Again, I'm very confident that this volatility at the end of the apex is a weird bottom that we're trying to make. I'm just not convinced yet, but still 2.5% is a great day given, everything else, basically well read. So, but commodities overall held up quite nicely. Platinum, a lot of volatility. You can see wicks on both ends, up 0.5%. Still nothing major long term that needs to be reported there. Copper also, again, copper is just amazingly technically perfection here. You can just see $4 bouncing off that golden rail there, almost $4 again retest. Now we're retesting from below from that side. So again, 0.5% today. But copper here is just doing a mega charging up here between 4 and 3.5. I mean, either the way we go here, the move will be massive. There's no denying that. So I'm excited to see which way we go. Maybe, who knows? Guys, again, no Twitter, no stock picks or no stock, insight here today. If you want to have some stock insights, I just did the subscribers or the members only, where we are going through showing some stocks that we're looking at. There were some entries in the gold stock. Again, if you want to see that, you can check it out briefly, and you can on top again if you are not satisfied. Again, guys, have a great evening. Last video for today. This was the 4th video. I want to go to bed, and I hope you will sleep tight, stay safe, all that good stuff wherever you are. Hopefully today will not be as red as it was today. It was pretty damn nasty, but it is what it is. Have a great day, guys. Cheers. Bye.